Hi, this is Corey Egan, President of SkyJack USA, and this video will demonstrate how to use our SD-00 Stackable Pedestals. Our stackable pedestals allow you to install a rooftop patio with even a very limited threshold height. Simply place one at each corner of your flooring tile. The built-in spacer tabs will keep your tiles perfectly spaced across the roof. Pedestals are made of rubber and can be easily cut in half for use at perimeters. They are also stackable to achieve heights up to 3/4 of an inch. Cut them in quarters for use in the corners of the patio. SkyJack pedestals are loose laid directly on the roof to avoid penetrating the roofing membrane and to maintain the roof membrane warranty. Use a level to stack pedestals to the height needed to create a perfectly level surface. Stack a combination of 1/4-inch pedestals with 1/16-inch shims for maximum height adjustability. SkyJack stackable pedestals are an affordable and easy to install option for both commercial and residential patios. You can purchase SkyJack pedestals directly on our website at www.skydackusa.com. Just click on the Products tab and choose Pedestals, or contact us at info@skydackusa.com. We look forward to working with you.